Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to calculate table in MS Word. Friends, if you have a table in a Word document in which you want to do some basic calculation, like here as you can see there is a table. So if I want the calculation of these four cells here, then I simply need to press Ctrl F9 on my keyboard. Now here I need to type equal to sum open bracket, and to calculate these above four cells I need to type above, close the bracket and press F9 on your keyboard. Now friends, here as you can see it has given the total of all the above four cells. So likewise, if you want the total of all these three cells, then here you need to type the formula, press Ctrl F9 on your keyboard and here type equal to sum open bracket. Now to calculate these three cells you need to type left, close the bracket and press F9 on your keyboard. Now friends, here as you can see it has given the total of all these three cells. So friends, like this you can very easily do some basic calculations in tables in MS Word document. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.